Again. So these are the old bits of metal, and I've cut plate up, drilled holes in, welded nuts on, found two really nice bolts, and now, as you can see, this one here fits beautifully over there. I'm going to MIG this up, just like that, and then I'm not going to knock that tag down. I'm going to fill the holes up, and then on the other side, this one fits really nicely here. I can knock that tag down, I can fill the holes up, and then MIG weld it nicely, and then fill the holes up with whatever, and then under seal. So I shall do that, and then I'll call you again, or I'll take another picture and you can see what it looks like when it's finished. See you later.